Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear search history on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and after that, go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. Go and click on your data in Maps. And after that, scroll down until you will find an option called Web and App Activity. Click on See and Delete Activity. As you can see now, you will find all the search history that you made on the app. And to delete it, you have just to click on Delete. And you will have multiple options to delete your search activity only for today, or for just custom range, or for all time. So you choose whatever option you want. For example, I will delete today. Click on Delete Today, and it will be directly deleted, as you can see. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.